Welcome back. Continuing the news. Days after our primetime news special, another promise this evening that come Monday, measures will be put in place to ease the frustration faced by motorists traveling in road construction zones. A list of detours have been outlined for the corporate area days before the start of the new school term on Monday. The National Works Agency NWA and the JCF's Public Safety and Enforcement Branch PSTEB held a joint press briefing today to give details. TVJ's Herman Green was there and now reports.
With all the legacy road projects in the corporate area, motorists and parents say they dread what they will experience as of September 3 when schools reopen. However, communications manager at the National Works Agency NWA, Stephen Shaw, says a plan will be rolled out to reduce the expected frustration. It includes traffic changes along several major roads. The changes are to be implemented starting Sunday, September 2. Motorists traveling along the Portmore Toll Road with the intention of using 3 miles area will be affected.
Access to 3 miles from the direction of Marcus Garvey Drive will be restricted, save and except for local traffic, meaning persons who are going to be doing business either at Sampars, Dr. Glass, and those places in that area. They will not be able to drive from Marcus Garvey Drive onto Hagley Park Road or onto Spanish Town Road, as is now the case.
An estimated 30,000 vehicles use 3 miles each day. The police will be on hand to redirect that traffic along Marcus Garvey Drive and through Greenwich Town, from which motorists will access Spanish Town Road and other areas. There are also changes for the Mandela Highway, which is the busiest in the country, accommodating 80,000 vehicles each day.
How this will work is that traffic coming from the direction of Spanish Town will no longer need to stop at Caymanas Crossing once they're heading towards the city. We'll have 2 right turning lanes from Mandela heading towards Portmore, and these lanes have been extended.
But that's not all. Another phase of changes will take effect on September 9. Then, motorists traveling along the Spanish Town Road from 6 miles will also be restricted from entering the 3 miles area.
There is the option of persons turning onto Penwood Road, Bay Farm, back onto Waltham Park Road, Waltham back to Spanish Town Road, and onto their particular destinations. There's also Olympic Way to Maho Drive, back onto Hagley Park Road.
He says all the major intersections created by the detours are now fitted with traffic lights. These have been synchronized and will be monitored by the traffic management unit at the NWA's offices and adjusted as needed to ensure a smooth flow. Herman Green, TVJ News.